What is up, guys? It is Caller. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. It is two scammers that are the same person. It is Sebbythelitgod and Barbythegirl. Basically, they've been on my channel for a really long time. They've scammed a lot. They've scammed my fans, and it's really not fun. They That's what I'll be talking about today. So I'm in my VIP right now, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys all the proof about who showed it to me. Bleach, yes. So this guy. I actually have Sebbythelitgod admitting that he scammed everyone. I scammed Lego Boy once. I scammed you. I scammed a lot of people. I scammed my first year. He actually scammed me for his first year. I also scammed my Chroma years. He scammed everything. Yeah, he admitted to almost scamming me. Um, there's also this. Yeah. He also, this is a lie. He still scams people right now. He currently has he currently has scammed items. Here we go. So in this one, he said add me on my alt. He pretended to uh be me, which is illegal. I don't use my Lego Boy account. That's my Steam. I don't stream. I just make YouTube videos. These are all excuses. This is Sebbythelitgod's Discord. Yeah, that it's pretty sad. Here's this proof too. That is another big lie. I don't only play on mobile. I play on both. That's how I record. Basically, he lied and impersonated me. And then also, if we go to like my comment section, there's a scammer on the loose named Barbythegirl. This is it. I don't know why it doesn't show though. It's really freaking weird. Hold on, I think I have to give someone their item. Here we go. Anyways, back to our topic. Yeah, the two scamming accounts. Nope. See if I can. Is he on right now? I'm gonna join him. He might be on the trading servers. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to go find him. I know he's in one of these servers. He won't. He says he won't stop scamming my fans. This is his, and then he also has the Sebbythelitgod. Yeah. He apologized, but no. No, you guys didn't make up. You keep scamming people. He keeps yeah, he keeps basically scamming my fans, and it's annoying. I'm getting really tired of it. Um But yeah, these are the two. Oh, not this one. It's Barbie and Sebbythelitgod. So it's these two. So these are the two scammer accounts. These are the same person. Please do not trade Barbythegirl or Sebbythelitgod. Yeah. I just want to make that quick short video. You guys have seen the proof. It's on my Discord right here. No, this is not my alt. This is not in. This is not me. Um, he scammed a lot of my fans pretending to be me. He's made several alts. Just please be very careful. If anything else happens, I'll let you guys know. But other than that, oh, I think I can also link his YouTube channel. Okay, I got scammed. Oh, he looks. I'm trying to find. I think he's commented before, but if not, just watch out for him. Like I said, the proof is here. Just please stay safe, guys. And yeah, I have other scammer videos to make, and I'll make those right now as soon as I can. But yeah, just please be careful. Don't trade them.